This is the next analysis in this series to conclude in a new detailed multi-year trend forecast for UK house prices. So is a no deal 30% crash in UK house prices even possible, let alone probable as the Bank of England forecast? Let's see what momentum analysis suggests is going to happen in 2019. Note, this analysis was first made available to patrons who support my work, so to get immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. UK house prices momentum steadily fell from mid-2016 after having chugged along nicely at 10% per annum for a good 3 years, then falling to a low of 0.5%, following which the pattern has been one of surges towards 5%, resolving in house prices revisiting near 0%, followed by the next surge higher, which appears to be the current trajectory. This pattern is highly revealing, for it suggests the government and the Bank of England's hidden hand at work towards preventing UK house prices from going negative on an annualised basis, as negative house prices, i.e. a bear market, will trigger further loss of confidence and likely be accompanied with an economic recession. Therefore, despite the chaos of Brexit, it is clear that the government and the Bank of England are determined to do their damnedest towards preventing the UK economy from tripping over into a Brexit recession, towards which keeping UK house prices positive on an annualised basis is one of their primary mechanisms towards avoiding a Brexit recession. So what are the prospects for UK house prices for 2019? Well, currently UK house prices momentum, coupled with a government and central bank's hidden hand, suggests to expect average UK house price inflation of about 3% for at least the first half of 2019 and likely for the whole of the year, where the current trajectory is for UK house prices to peak at about 4% to coincide with Brexit Day, i.e. the 29th of March 2019, before dipping back towards zero over the next few months. Compare this to the likes of the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney warning just a few weeks ago that UK house prices could fall by as much as 35% in a no-deal Brexit. Regardless of what happens in terms of a deal or no deal Brexit, a 35% drop is not going to happen. Most probable for 2019 is an average gain of about 3%, which I will fine-tune further over the next few series of analysis. Of course, with so much Brexit chaos in the air, then economic volatility will be high for much of 2019, with ever widening swings as the government effectively prints money to inflate UK house prices, as being one of the primary mechanisms towards fighting off a recession, which implies any dips below zero will be followed by even more intense countermeasures to inflate asset prices. The bottom line is that a 5-year house prices forecast is pushing the envelope too far in terms of forecasting reliability, as previously my UK house prices forecasts tend to range between 2 and 3 years long. Hence why some 18 months ago I effectively revised my forecast expectations down to a plus 41% rise by December 2018. So the key lesson learned from my forthcoming UK house prices multi-trend forecast that I aim to complete over the next few weeks is that 2 years forward is the optimum forecast period, whilst 3 years should be seen as the absolute maximum. Therefore, expect at least 5 more pieces of analysis on the UK housing market over the coming weeks, covering population growth, house building, inflation, interest rates, affordability, London and regional prices in the countdown to my next multi-year trend forecast, with momentum suggesting to expect a weak bull market during 2019, barely keeping pace with even CPI inflation of 2.2%, let alone RPI of 3.3%. And do subscribe to this YouTube channel for the next video in this series, And remember to get immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. Your analyst, wishing all my readers and viewers a very happy and prosperous new year.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness here for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness, yeah.